Good morning, class 11th. Student, today I will start the new topic, that is relation and function. Here, first part is Cartesian product. So, question is, what is the Cartesian product? Student, let A and B are two given sets. Let A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 2, 3. There may be any number of elements in the set. Then A cross B is called Cartesian product. Cartesian product. To find this, we will write 1, 2 cross 2, 3. Now, we will make the ordered pair. So, it is the set of ordered pairs. There are ordered pairs are 1, 2, 1, 3, then 2, 2 and 2, 3. 1, 2, these are called the ordered pair. Ordered pair means it is like the point in two-dimensional geometry, like x, y. So x, y is called ordered pair. It is same as point in two-dimensional geometry. Let there is a point P, its coordinate x, y. Then x is called abscissa and y is called ordinate. So it is same thing. Ordered pair is the coordinate of the point in two-dimensional geometry. Similarly, if we talk about the ordered triplet, then ordered triplet is the point in three-dimensional geometry. There are x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. That I will talk later. So here A cross B, that is the Cartesian product. And this Cartesian product is the set of ordered pair. So we will make the ordered pair, right? First of the ordered pair is 1, 2. Then there is a other ordered pair 1, 3. Then 2, 2 and 2, 3. This way we will form the Cartesian product. Student, this is the set builder form of the Cartesian product. It is the roster form. It is the roster form. It is the roster form of the Cartesian product. If we talk about the set builder form, then see. Student, now there are three forms of the Cartesian product. First is roster form. In the roster form, ordered pair are present. The previous example is the example of roster form. In that A cross B equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2 and 2, 3. That is the roster form. If we talk about the set builder form, then elements are not present and A cross B is equal to x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Here, first element present to the first set and second element present to the second set. Another is there is a arrow diagram. So A cross B also can be represented as a arrow diagram, or it is lattice method. If B lattice method, but this is not given in NCERT. Here we will frame the point in two-dimensional geometry. So here that is x-axis, y-axis, and we will represent x comma y. So this is another method, lattice method, roster form, set builder form, and this method. Student, now there are some important points related to the Cartesian product. First is equality of the ordered pair. Ordered pair. Student, if two ordered pair are equal, like x1 comma y1 equal to x2 comma y2. There are two ordered pair and they are equal. Then their corresponding elements are equal. So this implies that x1 equal to x2 and y1 equal to y2. Whenever two ordered pair are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. Second, suppose A is a set having m element. Number of elements in A equal to m. It is called Cartesian. It is cardinal number. N is called cardinal number. Cardinal number. And set B having n number of elements. Means NB equal to n. Number of elements in set B. Therefore, NA cross B equal to NA into NB, or it is M into N. Number of element in the Cartesian product of A and B, it is M into N. Similarly, if there are two sets P and Q, P and P equal to, suppose P, and Q equal to Q, then N P cross Q equal to P into Q, or it is PQ. It is also called Mn. So product of the element is equal to the number of element in the Cartesian product.